Describe how to install and test a Hall effect sensor. A Hall effect sensor can be installed by mounting the sensor and wiring its leads to a control device such as a PLC. A Hall effect sensor is often mounted with a bracket or plate and oriented so that it is pointed toward the target location. Hall effect sensors have an extremely wide variety of package styles and mounting options. Some sensors use either a threaded barrel or rectangular surface mount style similar to other proximity switches, while many others are designed to simply slide into a slot like those found on some pneumatic and hydraulic cylinders. Numerous special application Hall effect sensors have other mounting requirements. For example, Hall effect rotary position sensors are directly coupled to a rotating shaft, and some sensors require the mounting of a separate magnet to trigger the device. Most Hall effect sensors provide 3 wires for connecting the sensor to the circuit. 3-wire sensors provide 2 wires for connection to a power supply and a 3rd wire to provide a signal to a control device. To test the sensor, it must be actuated, preferably using either the actual magnetic target or the separate magnet to be sensed during normal operation. The sensor output signal is then verified at the sensor as well as the control device. Many Hall effect sensors have an indicator light that illuminates when a target is detected to help verify the operation of the sensor. Because the sensor operates like a switch, test it by measuring its input and output. If the sensor light illuminates, the problem is more likely on the output side, so test it first. To test the output, measure the voltage at the sensor and at the controller input. Doing so verifies that the sensor output is good and that voltage is reaching the controller input. If the input voltage is missing, the problem is not with the sensor. If the input voltage is present, but the output voltage is not, the sensor is bad, open, or the load is shorted. If the output voltage is correct, but the load is not working, the load is open.